Here it is. It's idling a little bit low because of I have the idle set down low because it was annoying the crap out of me. There's a strut bar, and here I'll rev it a little bit. Here it sucked right up from the intake. I got a custom switch for the coolant fan. You see how that's not on right now, the coolant fan? Well, watch this. This is pretty cool. Now see this switch right here, which is mounted in a spot that was unused. All I do is press this button. See right here? Hit that button. Let's go back over here. And as you can see, the fan is running. I want to get another fan over here to let it run a little cooler than it is.